Yes, children. Now everyone take out your maths classwork book. Yes, children. So, children, we learn maths numbers today. Actually 1 to 200. So first we'll write 1 to 100 numbers, children. Ready? Now everyone take out your maths classwork book. Check your book, children. Ready? So write neatly numbers 1 to 200. So we'll first write 1 to 100. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, children. So ready? So we'll first write 1 to 100 numbers, children. So after we'll write 101 to 200. Okay, children. Ready? Yes. Yes. So ready, children? First write 1 to 100 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children? Yes. So next 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So everyone should write neatly, children. Okay? Yes. So 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Sorry, children. 77, 78, 79, 80, 80. Okay, children? Yes. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100. So children, write classwork 1 to 100 numbers now children. So write neatly 1 to 100 numbers. Okay. So you have homework 1 to 100 write 3 times. Okay children, and learn. Understood children? Yes. So children, 1 to 100 is completed. So now 101 to 200 numbers. Ready children? Yes. So 1 to 100 is finished children. So now we'll write here what children? 101 to 200 numbers. Yes. Numbers 101 to 200. Okay children, ready? Yes. Yes children, ready? So 101 to 200, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. So 110. So 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, so 128, so 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, so 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 100, 159, 160. So write neatly children in your classwork book. So next 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200, 200. So write neatly children. Now classwork 101 to 200. So you have homework 101 to write 3 times. Okay children, homework. So write neatly children 101 to 200 now. Yes, finish children? Yes. So next, what children? Yes. Numbers, name. Ready children? You write that book only children, numbers, name. Numbers, name. Yes. Ready children? ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10. So write neatly children in your classwork book now. ONE1 to 10. So repeat once children. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SCVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, so TEN10. So children, one numbers name also you have homework. Write 3 times. Okay children? Yes. So now what children? Tables. Tables. Okay children, 1 and 2 vanja. 1 vanja and 2 vanja. Ready children? So repeat children. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 sixes are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. So 1 tens are 10. So next 2 tables. Repeat children everyone. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are tens are 20. Okay children, so this is only oral part. Don't write children 1 and 2 table. Oral. This is your oral part children, 1 and 2 table. Repeat children, read this 1 and 2 table children. Understood? 1 and 2 table you repeat children. So everyone repeat after me children. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 sixes are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So this is only oral. So don't write 1 and 2 table children. Understood? Yes. So now children, everyone take out Little Learner Maths textbook. Open children. Yes. Now children see page number 69. Use vegetable printing to make more flowers so that there are 14 flowers in all. So children, here we use vegetables children. So we use vegetable printing so to make more flowers. So we have don't vegetables here. Okay children. So I'll draw here only with blue pen. So you have vegetables, you print children. Okay, understood? Yes. So I'll draw already here gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So actually children, you take one lady finger and dip the color and printing children. So I have no lady finger here. So I'll draw children here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. So 14. So I'll draw here 14 children. So you actually children here we use vegetable. So I have no vegetable here. So I'll draw here blue pen. So you have vegetable in your house. You take some vegetables and print to make more flowers. So this is actually vegetable print. This is lady finger print children. You take one lady finger and cut it, dip the color and what children? Printing. So this flower is like children. Okay, so I'll here draw only blue pen. Understood children? Yes. So next, trace and write 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Yes children. So next, turn the page. See children. So page number 17. Page number 17. Hello number 15. So draw and color 15 triangles in the space below. So children, here we'll do 15 triangles and coloring. Okay children, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait children, 6. Yes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So children, here I'll draw 15 triangles. So now children, these triangles we coloring children now. Yes children, now we'll do 15 triangle already here draw. Now coloring children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total how many triangles here draw and coloring children? Total 15 triangles color and draw. Yes children? Yes. So next, thumbprint. What is this children? Here page number 71. Thumbprint and make more bees so that there are 15 bees in all. So children, here we'll take thumbprint children. So like this only we'll take here thumbprint. Dip the color and thumbprint. So I'll draw children here. You have color. So you dip and okay children? Yes. So I'll here drawing children. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Now 15. So actually children, here we'll do dip the black color and thumb the print here. So I here drawing children. So 15 bees. Okay children, understood? So children, next trace and write 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. So remaining lines your homework. So I know match the some numbers. So children, here give some numbers. So we'll do math children here. So first number is 14. So where is your 14 number children? So here 14 to 14 math. So next number is 13. So 13, where is it 13? So here 13 to 13 match. So 15, 15 to 15. So 11, level to level, 12 to 12. Matching children. Okay. So next children, match the number to the correct number of object. So first one is 13. So count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there is 13 flowers. So 13 number to 13 flower matching. So next number is level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here this is 14. This is okay children. So like this only you do also matching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to 12. So this is 12. So this is 14. Okay children, understood? You also do like this only in your textbook. So your maths class is done children. So I gave already homework 1 to 200 numbers 3 times and only 1 to 10 numbers name. You write what children? 3 times. Understood? Okay, and tables 1 and 2 learn. Repeat children. Okay? Yes. So children, we'll meet you next class. Bye children. Take care.